Hello everyone, this is T and the Informer. Today, I am presenting my first academical video, software engineering. Yes, my dear audience, now I am inform you about software engineering myth, why software engineering needed, and why you want to learning. Especially which person want to learning about software engineering, about study, want to study with the subject. I believe it will help them. Let's go now. Go. And my dear audience, actually, this information I'm collecting from these two writers' books. If you want collect, if you want to need, you can visit there and you can buy this book. What is software engineering? Why it is neat? How I do it? Project management, configuration management, structure methodology, object oriented analysis, or object oriented design, user interface design, testing and validation, quality assurance. Why is software engineering important? It's so important for all person who want to learn, who want to collect some information. Why software engineering important? To avoid costly errors caused by software. It's the first. Last Berger is prescribed on bad line of code causes failure. Several people killed by radiation mechanics, no mean of catching operator errors. Commercial aircrafts accidentally shut down during Gulf War. Poor user interface. I think you can understand. Tomahawk missile defense system causes more damage to Israel and such. Historical project cost allocation, and this is the diagram of this point. Early errors detection saves money. If you use software engineering for your business, for your management, for your work, it's make. If you especially use your business, you have to learn it because early errors detection saves money. My audience, software characteristics. Why it is important, I'll say that. Software is both a product and vehicle for developing a product. Software is engineered, not manufactured. Software does not wear out, but it does deteriorate it. Although the industry is moving toward component-based construction, most software is still custom built. Failure over time, this is so important. Hardware and software, these are different types, and this picture and this graph are show. This is the two figure about hardware and software. Software crisis. Obviously software is needed. Obviously it's important. Obviously it have to crisis. Software failures receives a lot of more publicity than software engineering success stories. The problems that affect software development are more likely to be associated with how to develop and support software properly than with simply building software that function correctly. My dear audience, now I am taking the interesting part software engineering myth. There are many parts, but software engineering myth. Let's go. A software understand provides software engineering with all the guidance they need. Learn to use them. People with modern computers have all the software development tools they need good case tools. Adding people is good way to case up when a project is behind schedule. Late addition makes it later. Giving software project to outside practice to develop software, solve software project management problems. Need to learn how to manage and control software projects. Software myth part 2. A general statement of objective from the customer is all that is needed to being a software project. Spend time to have very good understanding of customer requirement. Project requirement change continuously and change it easy to accommodate in the software design. Once a program is written, the software engineers work it finished. Software made part 3, part 1 and part 2 is complete. Now I am talking about part 3. There is no way to access the quality of the piece of software until it is actually running on some machine. The only deliverable from a successful software project is the working program, practice formal or peer review. Software engineering is all about the creation of large and necessary documentation, not shorter development times or reduced cost. Software engineering is tools, method, process, a quality focus, a strategy of is the 4 point. A strategy for producing highly quality software. It is layered technology. Software engineering encompasses a process management techniques, technical methods, and the use of tools. The bedrocks is the quality focus. Process, that means foundation. It defines the framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering technology. A framework for a set of key process areas, that means KPA. KPA from the basic of management control of software project. Methods, technical how-to for building software. Requirement analysis, design, program construction, testing and support. The tools, automation or semi-automation, case card, CAE. I mean CALC, CAD and CAE tools. What is high quality software? There are many quality, mid-term quality, middle, low, poor quality. But what is high quality software? It is a more important question and more search question in Google. It must be useful to the original customer. It must be portable for work at all the customer sites. It must be maintainable. It must be relatable. It must be intelligent. It must be efficient. It must be consciency for function. It must be assistable. It must have good human engineering, easy to learn and easy to use. What is CMMI? My dear audience, now I'm talking about CMMI. capability, maturity, moral integration. That's CMMI, its full meaning. The CMMI model is a collection of best practice from landing engineering companies. It is a software engineering institute's SIE. SIE is the short meaning of software engineering institutes. Compressive process meta models. It has two different representation. My dear audience, thank you for watching. If you have want to, if you are think you will learn something, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and use bell icon for learn more information about this playlist academical. Thank you everyone.